3 already took off, right? 4?
Oops, too bad for you. Can't see.
Oh.
You just stand there, okay?
Oh, here they are. There's the 4.
Yeah, there they are. Wow. What a diamond formation. There they are.
Wait, Andy Kelly, he's driving over to the end. I think he might be doing it.
Wow.
I think since he was a little late because they were expecting 5 to go, he needs to wait for certain.
There's the flyby to our left.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
It's gone. Oh, there's right here. What is he gonna do?
I think Four's gonna wait for 5 to come for him.
Where's he at? Where? Oh, there he is. Going behind the field. There he is. Oh, this is where they get real close to each other. Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Oh, they pretend they hit each other.
Okay, where are they at? Where are they at? Where are they at? They're gonna be coming from somewhere. We keep our head on a swivel because we don't know where they're coming from. The seagulls all of a sudden look like I got the plane. I'm looking at a seagull. Yeah.
At 7 o'clock.
Wow, that one coming across here low. That was so cool. Where are they at? Somewhere out there.
Over the rainbow.
Over the rainbow.
Over the clouds.
There they come. There they are down there.
Where? Oh, right
Straight
there.
out there.
Why don't I move out
What a roll. Isn't that awesome? Precision, timing, crazy. Wow.
It's 7.
Better watch it.
Well, you noticed that one that was hiding out over there?
Yeah.
It's gone now.
Coming down.
Here he comes.
Oh, no, they're gonna...
Upside down and one right. Oh my God, check this out. Oh! There he comes. That's looping around there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one out there.
The 4 is still there.
Here comes another one over there. Look at him out there.
Or they would either shoot out the flag or do
Where's the 4?
I don't know. Probably back over this way someplace. They kind of probably come over our dang head and scare the crap out. There they are. Wow. Here now there's the other two way out there.
How often they do this?
Huh?
How often they do this?
What we watched the show was there like 9 different across the United States per year, something like that. They do them out of Luke. Maybe we ought to go out there sometime.
Yeah, we should. There's so I think they're gonna come all together.
Here comes two down on the north end of the runway. Are you live in this thing? You're not videoing this thing.
No,
are you?
this video.
Oh God, you know how much memory that's gonna suck up on your phone?
I can delete it later. I'm gonna post it in.
Look at this. One upside down and one right side up. It's not going to place. Bob's right there. Look at that. One is right side up, one's upside down. Isn't that
Is
crazy?
it upside down?
Yeah, look at the one. Look at his tail against the ground. Where they at? You hear 'em? Where they at? Oh, sorry. Where they at? They just like come out of nowhere, don't they?
What numbers are flying up? 5 and 6 flying together.
We're gonna take a shower when we get back to Monet's. It's way cool. This is, especially when we come across there low. That is so cool.
It wasn't like this for.
There we go. at the precision.
They're watching you go.
Wow.
Glad we waited.
Yes. You're good, no, you're good, you're totally good. Oh, there they are, way out there, living back around.
Oh, now they're doing it together.
It's funny how far behind them you hear the sound. They're way out there and the sound's over here. Here comes the 4 on the north end of the runway.
I'm on live right now.
Huh?
I'm live now.
Huh?
Live.
It's silent.
And then they're gonna come right away.
The middle two are inverted.
Here they are.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, one's up. Two are up.
Yep, 2 of them are upside down.